Hello everyone, how are you all? Today I will show you how you can easily add LUTs to your CapCut. So mostly who use CapCut on desktop, they don't understand how to add the LUTs. So if I add a video in the timeline, here you can see there is an option of adjustment and here there is a LUT option, but you will not see the LUTs here. This will not appear. How you can add this? To add the LUTs, you have to click on adjustment, then go to LUTs, then you will see here a import option. I have already imported many LUTs, but how you can import, let me show you. First you need to click on import. When you will click the import, you have to choose the LUTs folder where you have put it all your LUTs file. So let me go to my LUTs file. Here is some LUTs. So you can see here is so many LUTs. I will add one LUTs here. So I have added one LUTs. Just select the LUTs and it will import it here. Then you can choose from here. Just add on the another timeline. So if you go to left to right where the adjustment layer is added, you can see the difference of the video. And if you want to add the LUT on your full video, just click on the main video timeline, then go to adjustment of the right corner of CapCut, then click on LUT and you will see here is the LUT option. Just select a LUT from here like this. If I select the LUT, now you can see there is a color getting added automatically and you can change from here as per your requirement. Okay, just add on here. It's deep, but no problem. Okay, so this LUT is okay. And you can add multiple LUTs here. Then just you need to export your video. Then the LUT will be applied. So I hope you have understood how you can easily add LUTs on CapCut. So if you have any question, just ask me in the comment section. Thank you.